my name is Rizelle and Galvez. I'm a VA coach, a social media strategist, a graphic designer, and a Canva certified creative. So we are here now for another quick. So in this segment, I will be discussing how you will create a free account in Hootsuite. So let's start. Of course, I want you to search Hootsuite free. Okay. And then click this one, not this one, but this one. And that is the URL. And then sign up. Click sign up for this. So you will be having 3 social profiles that you can connect to your Hootsuite, as well as 30 scheduled message or contents in one user. So just sign up, click it, and then enter your name, your email, and password, then create free account. And that is so easy. Okay? And once you're done, you just need to log in. Okay? Bye!